Hi students, today we do the question number 5th of exercise 2.4. The question says Shobos mother's present age is 6 times Shobos present age. It means जो शोबोस की जो प्रेजेंट एज है उसकी मदर्स उससे 6 टाइम्स उसकी एज ज़्यादा है उसकी मदर की. ओके, शोबोस एज 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. आफ्टर 5 years शोबोस की एज उसकी मदर्स की एज की 1/3 है. ओके, 1/3. वट आर देयर प्रेजेंट एज? सो लेट द शोबोस प्रेजेंट एज बी एक्स. लेट शोबोस present age be x years. Okay, so his mother's age will be 6x. Okay, his mother's age is 6 times of his age, so 6x. Okay, now after 5 years, what happens after 5 years? The age of Shobos become x plus 5. Okay, which is 1/3 of 6x. 1/3 of 6x, which is his mother's present age. Okay, now x plus 5 is equal to 1/3 into 6x. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. X plus 5 is equal to 2x. Now 5 is equal to 2x minus x, that is x is equal to 5. So we have got the value of x. By putting the value of x here, we get their ages. So Shobos present age is x, that is equal to 5 years, and Shobos mother's present age 6x, that is 6 into 5, 30 years. Okay, thank you. Do the question number 6th. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Maholi village. एक माहौली विलेज है, वहाँ पे स्कूल के लिए एक रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट रिजर्व करके रखा गया है. प्लॉट मीन्स ज़मीन. एक रेक्टेंगुलर ज़मीन है, like this. It is a rectangular plot, and the length and breadth of a plot are in ratio 11:4. Here length comes first. It means this is a length and this is a ratio of length and this is a ratio of breadth. So ratio of length is 11x. We take ratio with x. Okay, and what is breadth? Breadth is 4x. यहाँ लेंथ क्या रहेगी? 11x. ये रेशो दिया है लेंथ और ब्रेथ का. लेंथ कितनी दी गई है? 11 रेशो में, और ब्रेथ दी गई है 4 के रेशो में. सो रेशो लिखने के साथ हम x लगाते हैं. ओके, सो द लेंथ ऑफ अ प्लॉट इज 11x एंड ब्रेथ ऑफ अ प्लॉट इज 4x. नाउ at rate of 100 per meter will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? फेंस क्या होती है? फेंस आपने देखा होगा गांव में ऐसे जालियां लगी रहती हैं ज़मीन की चारों तरफ, ऐसी जालियां, उसको फेंस कहते हैं. तो ये चारों तरफ बाउंड्री में जालियां लगवाने के 75,000 रुपीज़ लगे हैं. सो we have to find the length and breadth. Okay, so the cost for 1 meter length is rupees 100. Now for rupee 1, the fence is only done in 1 by 100 meter. So at rupees 75,000, एक रुपये में 1 by 100 मीटर में बस फेंस होएगी. सो एट रुपीज़ 75,000 कितने मीटर में फेंस हो जाएगी? 1 by 100 इंटू 75,000. वी कैंसिल ज़ीरोज़, वी गेट 750 मीटर. सो इट इज़ अ perimeter of a plot. So what is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, we have got our perimeter 750, which is equal to 2 into, what is our length? Length is 11x, this is length, and what is our breadth? Breadth is 4x. Okay, now we have, by putting the value of length and breadth here, 11x plus 4x, we get 2 into 15x. Okay, 2 15s are 30. 30x 750 is equal to 30x. X is equal to 750 by 30. 0 से 0 cancel. 3 1s are 3. 3 2 just 6. 1 remainder, it becomes 15. Now 3 5s are 15. We get 25 is equal to x. Okay, now by putting the value of x here, we get the dimensions. Length is 11. Length is 11x, that is 11 into 25. We get 11 to 25 is 275 meter. And what we get? Breadth is 4x, that is 4 into 25 is 100 meter. Thank you.